5, 7, 8. I've seen 8 dolphins since I've been standing here looking out at the water. Just kidding. But you probably would. Check out this view. It does not get much better than this, folks. Alright, I'm here at the Reddington Towers, unit number 505. 1,330 square feet of just hotness. This is a beach house if there was a beach house. There's my proof. It says beach house right there. If you want, they'll leave that for you. Tile floors in the bathroom, tile floors out in the balcony. Oh, we gotta check this view out again. This balcony, which has storm shutters, by the way, hurricane storm shutters, hurricane glass sliders. Got a view of the pool. You've got a view of the beach. And mind you now, alright, let's talk about the beach. 3, 4, 5, 6, 79, 80. How you doing? 95, 20, 121. Give or take. 121 steps to the beach. I mean, check it out. This place, look at it. Nobody's here. Nobody's here. Public beach access down that a ways. Public beach access, quarter mile behind me. This is just amazing. Alright, back inside, we've got the hardwood laminate floors. We've got tile in the bathrooms. We've got tile on the balcony. This kitchen. Beautiful granite, backsplash, easy close cupboards. Look at that. No slamming, brand new fridge, double French door style. It's a personal favorite. Guest bedroom / second bedroom. Big closet. Plenty of windows, all updated double pane windows with a view of the Gulf. Check that out. This mermaid, I feel like, though, she could use a comb for her hair. I don't know, what are those called? Like a dingle hopper? Isn't that what they call it in Little Mermaid? I mean, we're gonna walk right to the windows. And this is a big mess here. Look, it just took me like 15 steps to walk across here. Check that out. I mean, you will have sunset from your bedroom, from your balcony, every single day of the year. We've got great size walk-in closet, walk-in shower. This is a king-size bed with, what are those called? Nightstands on either side. So it comes with a parking spot. You can rent another parking spot. And check out this table. I mean, you could fit, how many people can you fit here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I mean, obviously you could fit more than 9, you could fit less than 9. But the point is, this is not just a little house for a single person. You can have this as a vacation home. You could bring all your family down. You could rent it out a few months a year, live in it a few months a year. Alright, check out the pool. People get nervous with cameras around pool. You know, got their winter body going on or whatever. So I'll probably shut the camera off, but. Alright. 3.5 feet here. Looks like it goes to 7 feet deep. It's a very big pool. Middle tower, that's ours, unit 505. The only one that is for sale with direct Gulf view. And then here's the third tower up there with your beach access. That is just incredible. Look at it. What more can you want? This is your next beach house. Salt Bay, get it? Salt Life, Salt Bay, that guy that sprinkles the salt. Have a good one. And it's a gated community. What more can you want? Alright, that's good. You can let me back in.
Here, this gate.